To register with the ACNC, each organisation needs to have a governing document which sets out its charitable purpose, that it operates on a not-for-profit basis, and how the governing body of the charity, such as its committee of management or board, makes decisions and consults any members. This document may have a different name depending on the charity's structure or form. It is commonly called a constitution, rules, articles of association, or trust deed. All charities registered with the ACNC must have governing documents that meet certain legal requirements. Some of these requirements are the same for all charities registered with the ACNC. All governing documents must include the organisation's legal name, the organisation's charitable purposes, that the organisation operates on a not-for-profit basis, and the rules and processes that outline the way the organisation makes decisions, the way it is governed, and how it is to be wound up. Also, the governing document you upload as part of the application should be the signed final copy and not have any drafting amendments. Organisations set up by an Act of Parliament, canon law, letters patent or royal charter may not have a separate governing document and should provide a copy of their governing act instead. The other requirements of the governing document depend on things such as the legal structure of your charity, which state or territory your charity is incorporated in, and whether your charity is endorsed by the Australian Taxation Office as a deductible gift recipient. You may need to get professional advice to make sure you choose a legal structure and governing documents that are suitable for your charity.
Governing document templates. Governing document templates are examples which charities can use when they are setting up or considering changing structure that they can adapt to suit their particular circumstances. Some Commonwealth, state and territory incorporating regulators provide template or model governing documents for charities with certain legal structures. These templates meet the legal requirements for the relevant legal structure and may be adapted and used as the governing documents for charities. Some of the template governing documents available for charities are a constitution template for small charitable companies limited by guarantee, a rules template for small unincorporated charities, the model rules for incorporated associations provided by state and territory incorporating regulators, the model rules for cooperatives provided by state and territory incorporating regulators. The Office of the Registrar of Indigenous Corporations, ORIC, has a template rulebook for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander corporations. Each incorporating regulator provides guidance on how to use its template governing documents. Note: some of the state and territory model rules do not include objects clauses. The ACNC requires charities to set out their charitable purpose or purposes in their governing documents. So if the template you are using does not allocate a space for your organisation's purpose or purposes, you will need to insert this yourself.